Linda from Klein has window problems.
But she just replaced glass on 2 windows and had them caulked, and that's kind of the problem. Linda writes, they did not remove the old caulk prior to applying the new caulk. So let's just say the caulk job looks like a roller coaster. This is not a level spot to be found, and all the videos I watched started with removing the old caulk. So I'm concerned, she says, about this seal. Linda wants to know, should she remove the old caulk and put new caulk on? What's your advice?
Yeah, I'm not sure how it relates to the glass because that usually does not get caulked into place. Maybe they recaulked the outside of the window, which I'm assuming that's what they did. And yeah, to get a better job, you got to get rid of the old before you put in the new. So yes, do that. And a perfect example is every motel you ever stay in, look around the tub. They don't remove the old and they just keep piling it on the new ones until it's huge and ugly. So caulking is an art.
You stay in different motels than I do.
No, I'm talking about even nice ones.
Really?
They got this caulk. There's this one guy that goes around the country and ruins caulk in all the hotel rooms.
That's it. Well, you know what? It's job security. He's the guy.
Just he has a giant thumb.
See, we should see, Chris, if we can track him down to a video about that guy.
The caulk guy.
Kenny Caulk. That could be his name. Or
but
Carl
then I'm
Caulk.
the only guy that goes around to stay at the Waldorf and inspect the caulk. Everybody else got better things to do. I don't.
We all have our purpose.
Yes.
And yours is to send us questions so we can answer them. So go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we will answer it in one of these videos like we did these ones over here. And by the way, if you click the bell when you subscribe to our channel, yours
Ding.
will ring whenever we post a new one.